Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Greetings to all the students from Universitas Terbuka all over Indonesia. Welcome to the third session of Cross-Cultural Understanding Classroom. In this session, you are going to study about cultural adjustment. It is actually related to the previous material, which is cultural conflict. That is why you need to understand and explain how is your conflict before and how is your experiences in managing to a new culture. I hope you can understand properly about the material given, and don't forget to fill out your attendance list, follow the discussion forum, do all the assignments given, and follow the quizzes if available. I hope we can meet again in the next session. Thank you very much. Good luck and have a nice day.